Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janine. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 easy, healthy meal ideas that are all VSG friendly. And I'm really excited to share this potato, broccoli, and cheddar soup with you guys. I know that you are going to love it. So we're gonna hop right into this video. I have a sheet pan dinner for you guys. So all you're going to need is just some chicken tenderloins, some potatoes, a red onion, and some green beans. So I just diced up all of the potatoes. I'm dicing up everything, and I'm laying everything on a sheet pan. And then I'm going to give it a drizzle of olive oil, and I'm going to also season it with some salt and pepper. And then this is going to bake in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes to a half hour until all of the veggies are fully cooked. And then on another sheet pan, I'm going to add the chicken tenderloins, and I'm going to season them the same way. So everything is going to bake at the same time. So this is a really easy meal if you don't have much time, or if you also want to meal prep this out, you can also do that. And please don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoy videos like this, because it really helps me and my channel, and it also helps me figure out what kind of new videos to make for you.
Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think.
So for this dipping sauce, you get 20 calories in 2 tablespoons or 30 grams. So I have my food scale here, and I'm just going to weigh out 30 grams.
Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head, yeah. Prayers from my savior, just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me,
So for the next recipe, we're going to be making some spinach and feta stuffed chicken, and all you're going to need for this recipe is thin sliced chicken breast, some baby spinach, some feta cheese, and some mozzarella cheese. So we're going to get started by sauteing the spinach. I'm going to season it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And once the spinach is sauteed, we can then roll it inside of the chicken breast. And I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who has been here supporting my channel and supporting me. I really do appreciate and love each and every one of you. And if you're new here or you haven't subscribed, I really hope that you would stick around and subscribe. And be sure to check out some of my other cooking and meal prep videos while you guys are here on YouTube today.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around.
So to get started making this potato cheddar soup, you're going to need 1 onion, 1/4 of a cup of flour, some broccoli, some potatoes, some chicken broth, heavy whipping cream, butter, and also some cheddar cheese. This is a really easy and hearty soup to make, and I'm going to link the recipe down below for you guys in the description box. But this soup came out really good. So if you do try it, be sure to tag me over on Instagram, because I love to see you guys trying out my recipes, and I love it when you guys tag me so I can share it over on my Instagram as well.
but sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh, let me drown. Oh, no, 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 no. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me.
And all of today's recipes are going to be linked down in the description box, so head on over to my blog if you want to make any of these recipes. I really truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, and if you haven't, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that little bell so that you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.